Hey YouTube, HTML Tim here. In this video I want to talk about a few cool packages I use for Python when using the Pulsar text editor. So you see here I have this Python file open, and just for fun I created a function down at the bottom of the file, and I've only got one line of space between the for loop that I was doing before that and the top of the function. And typically with AutoPep8 format guidelines, you should have 2 lines of space. I also only have indented print 2 spaces instead of the AutoPep8 guidelines of 4 spaces. So I'm going to save this and then do Control-Alt-S. And ooh, look at that. That package just gave me 2 lines of space and properly indented my code. Okay, so that package that helps me to do that, let me bring up my packages here. And it's taking a moment to load. That package is called Python AutoPep8. Okay, and of course you have to install AutoPep8 with pip, but if you have AutoPep8 installed and you use this, you can do Control-S and then Control-Alt-S after it's saved, and it will automatically format it for you. The next one I want to talk about is Autocomplete Python. So let's take a look at what that does. So if I go down here, and I've imported sys.os, and I'm using image from Pillow as well. But let's say I want to get something from OS. So I'm going to do OS and do a dot, okay? And when I do that dot, you'll see that this whole list comes up for me. Okay, and this is the Python autocomplete plugin. Okay, so I can do a whole bunch of stuff. Let's say I want to do something in the path. So I want to see if the path, and because I have the font jacked up, it's kind of the pop-up's kind of hard to see. But you see, I have the doc string here, and I have the option to do the path. So I'm going to do that, and then do dot. Let's do exists. So that comes up and it gives me the documentation, the doc string here, so I can read that. So I could check, if this path exists, in fact I check that up here, then I can, or if it doesn't exist, I can make this directory. So yeah, these are 2 small packages. This one requires that you either have Kite or Jedi installed. I've installed Jedi, not Kite, and it works well with that. It will ask you to use Kite if you want to use it, and you can dismiss it after the first time and it won't ask you again. And I find it works pretty well with Jedi. It maybe takes a moment to warm up, but once you got it warmed up, it really gives you some nice auto completions here. And it's really nice being able to hit the dot and then see what potential methods that you have for a particular module that you want to use in Python. Anyways, short video. I thought I just put that out there in case other people are using the Pulsar text editor to program in Python. Just 2 packages that are quite helpful with formatting and just some auto completion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.